I hope you're doing amazing. You haven't seen me in a while because I've had a horrible chest infection. Maybe bronchitis, I don't know. I never went to the doctors, so who knows. Anyway, I'm back now. I'm outside. I've still got a bit of a cough, so you might see a lot of cuts because I feel like a cough now. So I'm currently on my way into town because I need to pick up some food. I'm actually going to be making sausage rolls today. How are you all doing? It's been like forever. I'm just wrapped up in my scarf. I'm a little bit paranoid going out. I'm going to open it up a little bit here. So during this time of year, I get a bit paranoid going out because I have a phobia of throwing up. So I know quite a few people with sick bugs right now. I haven't had one apart from, well, technically not sick bug, but I've had my chest infection and I had some nauseous days then. So I kind of low-key miss having the face masks because when I had those, I wasn't getting ill because obviously you're protecting your face. So my discreet way of having a face mask is using this. It's probably not the best or the most sanitary, but like it just makes me feel a bit more safe. So yeah, I have something called emetophobia. If you have something the same, comment down below because it's kind of nice knowing you're not alone. So you do feel, it's kind of a horrible phobia to have when it's something you're going to have inevitably. So, and because it's such a natural thing that happens to your body, in a way, it's just one of those things. So yeah, I'm gonna go to town and I'll see you there. But I'll show you everything when I get in. But I thought I'd wrap the Christmas bag. There's a few Christmas stuff in there, but it's a bit limited. But we'll be going to more Christmassy places very soon. I'm back home now, so let me show you everything that I got. Side note, I actually thought this was Christmassy because I just picked it up and didn't do it properly and saw the red. But it's actually Valentine's Day. Oh well. So things that I got. Firstly, I got these ginger biscuits. We have roast chicken and sweet corn sandwich, that's for tomorrow. Vegetable sushi, some Thai jasmine rice, some basmati rice, tender stem broccoli. I got this to try for myself. It's called the Lazy Vegan Italian Risotto. I love risotto, but I usually can't have it because it's got milk in. I'm not vegan, but I'm lactose intolerant, so having something like this without milk in would be interesting to try. Malted milk biscuits for my sister. Some cranberry sauce, which I'll be using in a bit for my recipe. Same with this, puff pastry sheet. I always have teas to try. I've never tried chicken gyozas, like dumplings. I thought, you know what, let's just try one. I've been into Itsy food lately. So, yeah, I think now's a good time to try it. A stir-fry veg mix and a mixed vegetable mix. And that's everything I got. You've got to excuse the noise. I have the washing machine going, so I have so much washing that needs to be done. So, unfortunately, the washing machine is in the kitchen and I'm going to be cooking now. So I reckon I'll be doing a voiceover for a lot of it, but let me show you everything I need and I'll show you the ingredients too.
You will need some sausages, some puff pastry, cranberry sauce, and sesame seeds, although this is choice. So what you need to do is get your baking tray, line it with some paper, roll out your puff pastry and preheat your oven to 180. Mine's a fan oven, so if it isn't, use 200. Then what I do is I score some lines into the pastry, and what this will be for is to wrap over the sausage meat. So you do this on both sides and I leave about 2 to 3 centimeters gap. Once you have done that and it's all covered, I then get the cranberry sauce and I do a bit of a thin layer. I do quite thick here. I recommend you doing it a bit thinner because it did soak through the pastry. But as you can see, I have got it all covered. And then I get the sausage meat and start pulling it out of these skins, I think it's called. It was kind of gross doing it, but I do that and place the crushed sausage meat onto the pastry where the cranberry goes. And you just make sure you cover this. It took about 4 sausages, so you don't need a massive pack, and I ended up cooking the rest later. Then you get the pastry and you do a lattice on top of it to make it like a pretty pattern and to enclose it, and finally add sesame seeds. I then put it in the oven for 35 minutes to cook it properly, and then it's all done.
Oh my god it's done. I wasn't expecting the cranberry sauce to come out the bottom, so I'm hoping that's okay. But I'm gonna let it cool down and then I'm gonna dish it up. But I'm quite excited to give it a go. I also cooked up the rest of the sausages, which I don't know, could just be done for dinner. So I'm very excited. It looks really good. Oh, look at that, guys. It looks so good.
Before we do some festive activities, I went on a little morning walk and I just wanted to show you some of the things I saw because it was such a beautiful walk. That evening I went to Hillier Gardens for a light show and it was honestly very beautiful. So as you'll see in a second, I'm absolutely wrapped up because it was freezing, so I do look a bit silly, but I had a lovely time. Okay, have a little look at this. This is gorgeous. The next day, I travelled to Basingstoke to do some Christmas shopping because it was very overdue. But first, I'm just having a look at this fruit Christmas decorations. I don't know what they're called, but they smelled absolutely amazing, like a really fresh citrus smell. So yeah, I was just looking through all of them as they were in the main bit before we went into the shopping. Anyway, there was a little German Christmas market that looked really cute, and although we didn't get anything there, it just looked really nice. And then we went into a few shops that had some very nice Christmassy stuff. My favourite obviously was TK Maxx that had like my absolute dream Christmas decorations, like all the white ones. It was just so pretty. So one day I'll definitely go back to there. But then I went into H&M to get some Christmas dresses. I went with this one because I have a work do to go to. I wasn't a big fan of this one, it just didn't fit on me right, so I ended up buying the first dress. Shining in the east, beyond them far, and to the earth it gave great light, and so it continued both days. So currently in Wildwood, I'm having a look at the menu and I'm thinking vegan lasagna, but I kind of go with that every time. But it's a very cozy vibe in here. So here's the menu. I'm thinking of that one with tomato, spinach, layered pasta, topped with coconut bechamel and vegan cheese sauce, which is really nice, but I haven't had it in here, so we'll see. I just tried my food already, but it looks so good. So they got some fries and there's pizza over there. And also got lipstick on the cup, but it's really good. And that is me absolutely stuffed. It was so good. I loved it. And one more slice. We did pretty well, actually. Just try and get Tigger. Oh. day, my boyfriend and I went to Longleat Safari Park. It was actually a thing we've always wanted to do, and they were having a Christmas light show, which you'll see later on in the vlog. So we thought, you know what, let's go do it. And on the way, we saw Stonehenge, which was my first time seeing it, so I was quite excited about that. Somali sheep. I'll be honest, I don't really know what to do. Do you just wait? Do you go round? They're just there. Probably stuck. Let's go do the monkeys and get the car absolutely ruined. It's a monkey. What is he going to do? Is he going to come on top of the car? Oh my god. Wow. Wow, look at them. And then also there's a monkey on top of that car, but they're so cute. Oh my god, look at the baby with the mum. Aww. Another one. Look at him. These are cute, even though I have no idea what these are called, but cute. Update, my boyfriend thinks they're called ibex, so could be wrong, could be right, who knows. So cute. Oh look, oh, I was getting worried and I thought that's going to come in. Wow. See a big cat, it says to enter your own risk, so we're just waiting for the gate to open so we can come through and see what kitty cats we see. We have now finished the safari and we're just wandering around the place until the lights turn on and see, I think there's more animals, but we'll just figure it out. After seeing all the animals, we had a look at the Christmas light display that they had, and it was breathtaking.
Honestly guys, you have to come to Longleat when you can, or if you can. They've got an amazing light show and like loads of other things. Like I'll just show you. Look how pretty that is. I love it. Hey guys, I just realized that I actually ended the video quite abruptly. That was because our cameras died, so we couldn't record anymore. But it was such a great time at Longleat, and I do apologize for not having more time to just like be here and talk with you and be more present in like the video. It's a bit more montagey clip-like, which isn't how I usually do it, but honestly we were just so busy. I've had like the most hectic week, as you can tell, just doing loads of things, but it was amazing. I had such a wonderful time, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon in my next Christmas video.